Hi there, everybody, welcome back. Today we will draw here Papa Smurf, or Le Grand Schtroumpf as he is called in French, and we will start with a little warm-up kind of feature. We will start with the ear. So the ear, we will do a circle here, kind of a circle, sorry, semicircle here. And this is the tip of the ear, and then we will do another kind of semicircle here, and this is the cheek, the beard, and from here we will start. So what you do now, at the tip here, just go slightly up here, just a bit more than a finger, as you can see. And now we will do 3 fingers, or let's say 2 fingers up here, just on top of it here, and now we will from here connect over there. So that is hood in a bend. Okay, so we go, we have the top. Now we know that the hook will come back here, so what you do, just a bit more than a finger, put a mark here, and now we will do it like that, a bit flat at the beginning, and come back and go to the tip here. So now we have that. In the middle of it, you just do a little bented line, as you can see, like that. And this is already the hood finished. Now we come back to that line here. So now we have the eyebrow. The eyebrow, you do it like this. 1 line, a second line parallel. And now you close it kind of like that. So that's the eyebrow. You just go a little bit further here. You put another eyebrow here, you see, like that. Like that. And now you just stop here. So kind of 2 similar lines over here. So now you go right in the center of the face. Or you take this eyebrow, just go here, put a mark on the same level as there. See, like that, like that. That's the mark, and that's the beginning of the nose. The nose, you go over there, like that. Over here. And you come back like that. And here we already have the nose. Now, of course, you can close it. So now you have all this here. So a bit further than that eyebrow, you come back, kind of straight, and then you close it on the top of the nose. Now you can finish that line. And we have the nose, kind of the cheek. What we need now are the eyes. So just to give you a direction, the best thing is like one here, and then just a finger over there, do the second one. That gives you a direction what to do and to follow. And now you take 1 line here, you go around the eye, come back and stop here. You do the other one, and you close. And now we already have the eye. Now this one is a little bit too big. Make it bigger. So we already have the eyes. Now we know that he has a beard. So what we do is, first on the side, we do a line like that. The same level as the nose, right? And from here, go and come back. This is a mustache of the beard. You do 1 line, second one, and of course we have the same thing on the other side. So we have first the mustache. Here we do 1 line, and now we do the opposite to that, cheek, like this, and we're already here. Now we have the mouth in the middle. So for that you do a line like that, the mouth, so here, he has a tongue, this is the tongue, the tongue will be then colored in red, and we have the mouth. Okay, so now we have to finish the beard, so you can start this side or that side. I start from that side, so you do it like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you go from the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have the beard already pretty much finished. Now comes the body. The body is a bit of a tricky situation. What you do, I would take like 3 fingers, something. Yeah, 3 fingers would be right here, must be here, and then you go and you take yourself something like the end of the mustache from here, and now what you do, you just connect up to here. So this will be the body, and now you go back all the way up like that. So this is the belly and this is the body. So now we do one arm, and one arm will come like 2/3, so we mark it here like that, because he has his arm in the back. So now we know this is pretty much the centerpiece. So what you do a line like this, goes a bit further, and this will be the upper body, and this is the belly and his leggings, okay, his tights. So now what we do, we go on the other side, pretty much doing the same thing here, and try not to come too close. What you do is make a point here, mark here, and now we go. And this is the other arm, okay? So he puts his arm in the back. Here we do a parallel line like that. So this is the upper arm. And what we do now, we try to connect this bit and go down the leg. So first we do a 2-finger line like this. So that's one leg. And now we do here kind of parallel this. Here I missed it, so I close it. So we have upper body, the legs that are getting built. So we do now closing the hand, 1, 2. Now we do the finger that closes like that. So now we recognize the hand. So here we are just missing one leg. So what we do here is a line and then come back. We do this parallel, of course. Come back. So already have the legs. So what we do now are the feet. So what we do is, like we already know, back and forth all around. We do the same thing over here. Feet in the back. And come back. So it's pretty much finished. Now we have to do the little touches. Because we're here, we just continue here. So just here. Then we have the crease here. And we have to make sure that you understand it. So what you do is like this, a line here to emphasize the hood. I also can close that now. And wherever you want to close, you can close like that, like that. So now we can look, is there anything missing? Yeah, I would say here, maybe. And here you do it like that. And Papa Smurf is finished.